What is up? It is your girl Trina Wild, and we are back with another video. As you can see, I will be finessing this hairstyle for my birthday, because nowadays, what's the point of getting your hair done by someone and burning your scalp when I could just do it myself? All right, let's get straight into it because we have to finesse this look. Let's go. How I've missed my tribe. What is up, tribe? Long time no see. But listen, for my new girlies, I am Trina. And one thing about us, we tell the truth here. And shout out to the girls with the forehead because the forehead is foreheading. All right, now I want you to really quick imagine yourself getting your hair done. You're in the salon, whether you like it or not, but you're realizing that, okay, I'm here every month. The prices are going up by the year. And I really could be doing this style by myself if I really watch enough YouTube videos and put in the time. Well, yep, there you have it. That is a T for tears, okay? That is a T for tears. I'm currently going to be getting patient and just taking the time out to really learn to do my own hair and install my own wigs, because girl, your girl is tired of emptying out her pockets and just sometimes even getting disappointed by stylists. If you don't like something, you learn to do it yourself, right? So that is what we are in the process of doing. So for my OG girlies, please spare me. I've realized that everyone has a different way of installing their own wigs. And let's be for real, that could be from cutting the wig cap a certain way to maybe using a certain type of alcohol, or maybe not even using alcohol to even remove the, excess glue, to even cutting their lace a certain way or applying foundation a certain way. Either way, everyone has a different way of applying their wigs, and girl, please let me just find my groove. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of the penis. Coolest breeze that me rockin' a sleeveless. Now we've gotten into truth, tears. Last but not least, we got to get into the last T, which is triumph. I got to give my girlies that are trying this, that are watching this and trying to install their own hair, that are in the process of growing and flourishing and just trying to do their things on their own like this. Child, it takes patience, time, commitment, because the amount of times I wanted to give up is actually like insane. Do you see my face right now? I'm focused and locked in because I understand that I have a goal of just looking good for my birthday, but it gets frustrating. So kudos to you on this victory of even trying. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after. My ear starts itching at this point. Like, I'm frustrated. I'm tired. You can see the exhaustion in my eyes. Because why is my lace white? It's stuck on, like my wig isn't moving anywhere, but my lace is white. It's giving ashe. It's giving is everything okay with your skin? Yeah. So at this point, I just got so frustrated. I ended up just spraying my lace with a spritz, which actually did help out a little bit if you look carefully. But I was over it. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. It's time for me to go to sleep. I'll figure this out tomorrow. Well, in the morning.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else will do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand?
Good morning. All right, so I am back, energized, and ready for the day. I actually went to go get my nails done nice and early this morning just to get it over with. But I'm back and I'm ready to lock into this hair. Can we just appreciate how good this looks real quick? The spritz helped out so much, although I could kind of still see a little bit of the glue, the dried glue, which is a little bit of white, but it looks a lot better. I'm going in with my alcohol wipe to just fix that up a little bit, but child, I'm getting excited.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe.
As you can see, I am going for a glossy, sleek back look. I'm going in with this wax stick like it's no tomorrow because I just feel like it's doing its job and I haven't even put the hot comb on the hair yet. Like, what is going on? It looks so good. I'm getting excited, guys. I'm sorry.
Then dip me underway. Fill my cup, flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. I want to come to mind.
It's like I want to cry because it's like, Jesus, how many times am I going to keep burning myself? But then I get excited on how this is turning out. Like, you're really doing this right now. You're really killing the game, no kizzy. Of course I'm scared. I don't have one of those baby irons. I'm using what I have and it's just like, child, the heat by my forehead, the heat by my ears is giving me anxiety. And look at these baby pieces. I don't even know what I'm catching right now. Tribe, let me know what you guys think in the comments when it comes to edges, but I feel like that's the most detrimental part of a hairstyle. When it comes to having your hair done, the edges be like, whoa, yo, that it's like the icing to the cake, the cherry on top, all of the above. Like, it just looks so good, especially when you do it right. So that's why I'm trying to take my time with this. I feel like edges is very tedious, especially when it comes to wigs. You'll see me going back and forth on both sides just to get it as even as possible because, yeah, it has to be even. I love the dramatic look just for the occasion. It is my birthday. I'm going for like the sleek back look. I'm trying to have a photo shoot. I'm trying to have a birthday dinner. It just makes sense. So I'm going in with my Got To Be spray to hold it down because I need this look to stay and hold on. Please hold on for dear life when it comes to this photo shoot, this dinner, the night, the weekend. I just need it to last. Please. I highly doubt it, but we'll see. That's really about it. I'm really going in with my hot comb to flatten that area and just wrap it up. And then later I'll be going in with my flat iron to really flatten the lower side of my hair because I've really been focusing just simply on the top. But that's before my photo shoot and that's before the actual occasion. But yeah, thanks for sticking around with me, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed. It is your girl Trina Wild, and at Trees Tribe, you know we consist of nothing but truth, tears, and triumph. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you were doing. At Trees Tribe, we're lit over here, okay? We are lit. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for the video, the birthday season. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And do not forget, beginners, if I could do this, you can do this too. And OGs, leave some tips at the bottom. Love you.